National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Highland County in south-central Ohio, western Ross County in south-central Ohio, until 3:30 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cynthiana, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Rocky Fork Lake, Bourneville, Andersonville, Rainsboro, Austin, Lauderdale, Paint Creek State Park, Greenfield, Rocky Fork Point, Bainbridge, Highland Holiday, North Folk Village, South Salem, Frankfort, and Chillicothe. Now here